Discover the fastest way to complete a Moneygram bank transfer. We're covering the simple steps and 5 crucial tips to avoid common scams. Stay tuned. To transfer funds directly to a bank account, start by selecting the Moneygram bank transfer option online or in the app. You'll need your recipient's full name, bank name, account number, and the correct SWIFT BIC code or IBAN for international money transfer. Compare Moneygram fees and exchange rate options before confirming. The process is quick. Enter the send amount, provide the required bank details, and pay for the transaction using your debit card or bank account. Always double-check the recipient information to ensure a smooth, error-free Moneygram money transfer. Protecting your money is vital. Here are 5 important tips to avoid Moneygram scams. First, never send money to someone you haven't met in person, especially for an emergency from a relative you can't contact directly. Second, be extremely cautious if a buyer or seller insists on using a Moneygram bank transfer for a transaction on a classified site. This is a common warning sign. Third, never use Moneygram to pay for taxes, government fees, or any claim winnings, as legitimate agencies will never demand payment this way. Fourth, refuse any request to send a test or refund transfer. Scammers often use this trick to gain your trust and access your funds. Fifth, remember that once a Moneygram money transfer is completed, it's very difficult to reverse. Only send funds to trusted individuals. If an offer sounds too good to be true, like a secret shopper job requiring a Moneygram transfer, it is a scam. Protect your bank account. Follow these steps and safety tips for every Moneygram money transfer. Like and subscribe for more banking digits.